This is my favorite. What's this? Egg?
You didn't know that egg drop. You didn't know that exists, right? So let's start eating. It's not right now.
Tell them why your nana is feeding you. Tell them why your nana is feeding you.
Nana is feeding me because she will miss feeding me when I grow up all the way to a grown up like her.
That's why.
She feeds me. Hi.
But don't get me wrong. I know how to cook.
But don't get me wrong. I know how to eat on my own, but I don't want to do it with Mama like this. Right, Nanay? And Tatay, that's why he was also feeding me earlier. Although, I whispered it because Nanay didn't want to hear me say
May pasta pa lang.
I think what it is, I think
Okay mo dyan ah. Oops.
But those wait for me. Okay?
Kapoy na ang video mo ba? Wata na siya. So, kumok.
So, Tatay is gonna close the film and then he's gonna edit the other part.
Gawin mo.
But it's gonna be when I pause it and come back.
Kumay ba
Pause
sila?
it, because I'm gonna pee, and then I will make another one. And then here, apo. And now I'm back. I'm
Ano yung dami
gonna
natin order
upload
pala?
this on YouTube. You will not see. I wanna make this viral of this literally eating, right? See? It looks bigger. That's my
Dami natin ito.
got viral on TikTok. And that's so I'm gonna keep eating.
Oh, sorry.
Good thing I buy egg soup.
In case I want.
I think about you eh. I said maybe Jacob will like the egg soup. So to make sure, I order one.
If I eat it, what would you do?
I will eat it. Yeah, we're gonna share.
Iba na naman yung boses ko na. Ano pala, hindi ka na nag-swimming kagabi na.
That's not why my best friend will walk this go. Because I'm getting healthier. My bosses is getting normal.
Minom tayo ng honey ulit ha. Ang lemon. Okay lang.
Kasi maging healthy na ako.
Ang vitamins para hindi ka matulog.
What letter of vitamins inside the 5 letters?
Vitamin C.
Inside the 5. Also inside 5 vowels and 5
Consonant.
consonants.
Only 5 vowels. Maraming consonant. Oh. Look. Yes.
I forgot. I couldn't go on it. But I have somebody to introduce Tatay. May I have it? May I have it?
Hmm?
May I have it?
So what? The plane?
Yeah.
Where's the plane?
There. And the field. Here he is. Bottom field.
Oh, baka malaglag sa food.
That's him.
Pinakita niya ba yung chick? Ano? Egg.
That was the last bite for this end of this video. So
Okay.
good job.
Good job.